Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this particular video we will guide you. So to fix JLab Go earbud won't turn on, we have to follow some troubleshooting steps. So likely first we have to check their battery. Ensure both earbud are the charging case have sufficient battery, and if not you have to try fully charge of this earbud. And if you see the battery is fully charged, so you have to do in their factory. So likely first you have to ensure that both earbuds are in a case of the charging, and then you have to ensure that also this is not connecting to any device. If connected, you have to disconnect this from this device. And now after this you have to 7 times both each earbud tap this. So likely 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and now after this will here 4 times blinking blue light. So this means it is a factory reset done. So that's how you can done your factory reset. And here also another third method to resolve this problem, to forget or unpair the JLab Go AirPod from your device. So likely you have to go into a Bluetooth setting, and now if you have find there also of this connecting, so you have to go into this like unpair this. That's how you can disconnect of this device. Or also you have to check for any debris or obstruction in the charging contact of the earbud. Like you have to see also USB is not damage of this any side of this, and if this correct you have to also ensure that this is of the charging case, it is not have any dirt or a debris. If they have a dirt, so you have to clear them, and also you have to ensure that both charging pin is not damages to. You have to try all of the step of your factory reset, and you have to also clear this of this earbud and check their USB cable, it is not damaged. So they are the last resort. You have to contact their customer support team to resolve this problem. So like you have to go into here, and now you have to type JLab customer service, and now you have to, these are the contact number, you have to call them, and also you can connect with this website. So by following this step you should be able to resolve this issue with your JLab Go earbud is won't turn on. If you continue to experience problem, don't hesitate to contact JLab support for a further assistance. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand how you can resolve this problem.